Hi everyone, it's Jenny from the Edison Public Library, and today we are going to make some spooky ghosts. What are spooky ghosts, you say? Well, let me show you. So what we're going to need is some white piece of paper. I chose to use a cardstock, but a construction paper would work just as great. You are going to need some cotton balls. If you don't have cotton balls, what you probably could do is just use the white piece of paper, but the cotton balls really sell the spookiness of the ghost. You're going to need some glue. You're going to need a black marker, a pencil, and your scissors. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my white piece of paper and draw my outline of my ghost. So I want my ghost, and I'm going to make two different types of ghosts. So I have my two ghosts, and what I want to do is actually trace them with a black marker. So this is where the permanent marker comes in. You just want to trace over your ghost. It's okay if you make mistakes with tracing. We are going to cover those later on. Alrighty, so now that I have my two ghosts traced and looking spiffy, I'm going to cut them out and we'll go from there. Okay, so we have our two ghosts all cut out now. And now what we're going to do next is take our awesome bag of cotton balls and our glue, and we are gonna go nuts. We are going to cover each one of these, the entire surface, with glue and cotton balls. So I'm gonna do one at a time. Okay. All right, so now we have our ghosts all cotton balled out. So we're gonna move them to the side and let them dry. And what we're going to do is now make our spooky faces for the ghosts. So I think I wanna make two different types of faces. So I'm gonna make different designs for the face. And now I'm just gonna cut them out. Okay, so now we have our faces done. So I'm gonna take my glue again, and I'm going to start by putting the actual glue on the paper and then sticking it right where I want it to go. So now that our ghosts are completed and we have their spooky faces on them, what I'm going to do is actually pull some ribbon, and I am going to glue it to the back because I want to be able to hang my ghosts. So I know I didn't originally say you needed ribbon, but it's just if you'd like. I want to hang mine since I want my ghosts to float. And so I'm just going to flip it over and glue my ribbon right to the top of our spooky ghosts. And that's it. You are done after this. And just like that, our ghosts are now completed. Feel free to hang them up. They are so much fun. I hope you enjoyed this crafts, and I hope to see you all soon.